Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my lovely fidgety client Lucy. She's coming today for a redesign. So I removed her previous set, which was so stunning, a nice neon long set. And usually I go straight with design, but I started to do 2 fingers and then I was like, actually I'll start recording from here. So I've done all the prep and now I'm just filling the growth with crystal glass so that again when she comes back in for another redesign we're going straight back down to this clear layer. So now I'm going in with peach sorbet. And I'm just going to put that at the cuticle area and blend down. We just want to cover the colour of her natural now underneath. Just building up the colour here. So this set was inspired by, didn't look at his name before I've come on here. Hold on. So his name is Zach_PN on Instagram. I had never heard of him, to be honest, but my client come in with a picture and I'm now following him because he does some stunning designs. So this set was completely inspired by him. So here I'm just creating like an ombre at the tip. So I'm using Blueberry Glow and Magenta from CJP. Just picking up a couple of wet beads of each colour and we're just going to swirl them round together and then blend the excess up. Not too bothered about the blend really because we're going to come in with some glitter, just a holographic glitter. So yeah, I'm going to place that just at that join and then do like a little swoosh. So moving on to the ring finger. This is something I've never done before. I kind of looked at it and I was like, oh, I don't know if I think that's the worst now for me. Just not me, not something that I would do, but I'm doing it. And I actually really loved how it turned out in the end. Like this was the favourite now. It's weird how it turns out like that. So here I'm using a magenta and I'm going to create a smile line. I know, that's what I mean, exactly what I was thinking. I thought I'd find it a little bit tricky because magenta is not your average, it's not the same sort of texture as your core powders, but it was fine. So I'm just going to build up the colour and get it as perfect as I can. Once I'm happy with the colour and the shape, I'll then cap this extended nail bed, as you want to call it, in clear crystal glass, So then the middle finger, I didn't know how he did it. At first I thought maybe he did it with gel polish, but then, yeah, I doubt it. So I think, well, it was just like, it wasn't a marble or anything, it was just like a mesh of colour, like, I can't describe it, like really light marble of colours, not marbled together, just like blended together. Weird. So I didn't really know how he did that, so I'm just going to show you how I did mine. So I just picked up the two colours, so the blueberry glow and magenta, and I'm just going to place them on the nail. And then I'm just going to, with literally the belly of my brush, just flat them down, not marbling them together, just push on them and push them down. These two colours really, like they blend, they merge together really nicely, so it's quite effortless. So I'm just going to keep doing that. That sounded really wrong. I'm just going to keep doing that. I'm just going to do that until I'm happy. And as I get down, like further up the nail, I'm going to start blending, just slightly blending the excess up to the cuticle. But yeah, just keep patting. I'm not swirling or anything, I'm literally just patting. And yeah, I quite liked how it turned out actually. I like to step out my comfort zone a little bit. So the pointer finger is just going to be your simple glitter fade. So I'm using blueberry glow at the cuticle area and blending that down. And then I'm going to come in with the same holographic glitter and we're going to fade that down the nail. Something happened then. I must have like jogged the table and now it's like out of focus. So we've got that for the rest of the video. So I do apologise. I don't know what happened. Me and Lucy do have a giggle and we get a bit silly. I have to calm her down sometimes because she is very fidgety. But yes, so I apologise, but at least you can really see the hollow. You can appreciate some hollowness here. So the thumb is just an ombre, so I'm using peach sorbet and magenta, and I'm going to blend magenta into this colour. Oh, so when I did her other hand, I did exactly the same, but with the opposite. Or did I do the opposite colours? Yeah, so it was opposite colours and some different nails. And when we got to the thumb, I was like, oh, should we ombre blue? Let's do blue into this. It's ombre blue, like one pink, one blue. And Blueberry Glow is not for the ombre. God, it was hell on earth. I was debating whether to just file it all off and start again, but I didn't. We worked with it and she said it looked fine, so I was happy with that. But never again. So just take it from me, don't ever try an ombre Blueberry Glow. I can't even say it properly. Blueberry Glow. So we filed our pink smile line. I applied a small thin layer of clear acrylic down on the free edge, just so we've got something to stick to, and then I'm going to pick up the larger pieces of the holographic glitter and just place them on the nail, and then go in with some finer glitter and kind of just like I keep saying merge, don't I? That's my new word. And just kind of like add some little specks to the free edge. She kind of wanted she's always wanted a glass now, and I always put people off it, and I don't know why, because I loved it. Like I said, this was my favourite nail. So once we've done that, I'm going to cap all the nails in crystal glass. So I filed them off camera. This video was long enough. We removed all the dust, and now we're going in with top coat. So I'm using the Gel Bottling Extreme Shine Top Gloss today. And we're just going to apply a nice thin layer of that all over her nails. Look at this nail. Absolutely loved it. So the other hand was you'll see a picture at the end. But anyway, I absolutely loved the set. Really pretty. These are for Lucy's holiday that she's going on, and we did kind of matching toes. Well, it was blue, same colour blue on her toes. So we applied cuticle oil, and that was the final result. So thank you so much for watching. Sorry about the little blurredness as we was coming to the end of the video. If you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you did, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.